Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt biscuits step by step. Preheat your oven and gather plain yogurt, flour, baking powder, salt, cold butter, and sugar if you like sweetness. Whisk dry ingredients together, then rub in butter until pea-sized crumbs form. Stir in yogurt until dough holds, do not overwork. Pat or roll to about 3.5 cm thickness, cut with a round cutter, chill briefly, then bake until golden. Start by measuring 250 g flour, 2 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt, then add 1 tablespoon sugar if desired. Toss dry ingredients together in a bowl so everything distributes evenly. Cut 60 g cold butter into the flour using a pastry cutter or fingers until you have pea-sized crumbs. Add 200 g plain yogurt and fold gently until the dough just comes together, keeping handling time short for tender results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and saving. It pairs nicely with baking time to plan small goals. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Lightly flour your surface and pat the dough into a rectangle about 3.5 cm thick for even rising. Use a sharp round cutter and press straight down to cut shapes without twisting. Place biscuits close together on a baking tray for softer sides or spaced apart for crisp edges. Brush the tops with a little yogurt or milk, then bake at 220 degrees C for 12-15 minutes until they sound hollow when tapped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.